Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on simple and compound interest. It says, a certain sum of money is put out to compound interest for 4 years at 5% per annum. The interest for the third year is greater than that of second year by rupees 262.50. Find the approximate total interest for the 4 years. So let us see how we can approach this question. Now what is given in the question is that the rate of interest is 5% per annum and the interest for third year is greater than that of second year by 262.50 rupees. Also, it is a compound interest case. So when we know that the formula for compound interest is equal to principal multiplied by 1 plus rate of interest by 100 to the power t minus p. So if I assume that the principal is p rupees, rate of interest is already given as 5%, and hence if I try and calculate the interest for third year, so interest for third year is greater than the interest for second year by 262.50 rupees. So if I try and calculate the interest for third year, or I would say for 3 years, and then if I subtract it with the interest for 2 years, we will be giving 262.50 as the subtraction amount. So interest for 3 years, P multiplied by 1 plus rate of interest is 5% by 100 to the power 3 minus P minus interest for 2 years becomes, if I take the square brackets, P multiplied by 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 2 minus P is equal to 262.50. Now as we can see from here we can calculate the value of P. So for that if I open up the brackets I get 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 3 minus P multiplied by 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 2. Now this minus and this minus becomes plus, so hence plus P is equal to 262.50. Now this plus P and this minus P gets cancelled. Now out of the two expressions, if I take P common, I'll be left with 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 3 minus 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 2 is equal to 262.50. Now out of this we can also take P multiplied by 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 2 common, so that inside we have 1 plus 5 by 100 minus 1 is equal to 262.50. So from here P is equal to, I'm just doing a quick calculation, multiply by, this will become 105 upon 100 whole square, and when this goes into cross multiplication it will be 100 multiplied by 100 divided by 105 multiplied by 105. Also this expression is going to give me 105 minus 100, that is 5 upon 100, and upon cross multiplication 5 comes in the denominator and 100 in the numerator. If I remove this decimal I get one more 100 in the denominator, which gets cancelled. This is 21 by 20 and this is also 21 by 20. Now if I cancel this, this becomes 21, ones are 21, rest is 52, so 21, twos are 42, 105, that becomes 125, 0. This is 21, fives are, so it becomes 0, 5 tens are 50. So overall your principal value comes as 4761.9 rupees to be approximate. So now we have received the value of principal, and now the question is asking us the approximate interest after 4 years. So interest, compound interest, Using the formula in the beginning, I can write it as 4761.9 multiplied by 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 4 minus 4761.9. From where if I take 4761.9 common, I will be getting 21 by 20 to the power 4 minus 1. If I solve it, I'll get 4761.9 multiply by, now this becomes 21 minus 21 to the power 4 minus 20 to the power 4 divided by 20 to the power 4. So this will give me 21 to the power 4 minus 20 to the power 4, and in denominator it has 20 to the power 4. So when I do the calculation, that is 21 to the power 4, I can write it as 441 multiplied by 441, which gives me 194481. So if I do the complete calculation of this expression, this will give me 4761.9 multiplied by, if I do subtraction of all the values that I have received, I will be getting a value which is equal to 0.21, approximately 0.215, and hence when it is multiplied with 4761.9 gives me an approximate interest of 1026.21 rupees. So this is an approximate value which can be rounded off to 1026 rupees. So the interest for 4 years comes out to be 1026. I can write it once again. It is 1026.21 rupees. So this should be the interest for 4 years when the calculation is done based on the question given. So I hope the method and the concept is clear to all. Now this option is not available in the given 4 options. So what we can do is the fifth option, which says none of these, becomes your answer. So I hope the method and the concept is clear to everyone. Thank you.